Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the cache in the Chase mobile app to fix common issues like slow loading, freezing, or login problems. The steps are simple and only take a few minutes. If you're using an Android phone, start by opening your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then, find and select the Chase app from the list. Tap on Storage and you'll see an option that says Clear Cache. Tap that option and you're done. Be careful not to tap Clear Data because that would remove saved information and require you to sign in again. If you're using an iPhone, there isn't a direct option to clear the app cache. Instead, you'll need to delete the Chase app from your phone. Press and hold the app icon, tap Remove App, then Delete App. After that, restart your phone, go to the App Store, reinstall the Chase app, and log back in with your credentials. Once you've cleared the cache or reinstalled the app, open Chase again and check to see if the issue is resolved. In most cases, this will improve performance and fix common errors. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.